Packing for a trip is always sounds fun until you realize your clothes don't fit in the suitcase. No matter how much you fold or roll, the zipper refuses to close. That was happened last week. I was traveling to Switzerland, but then I found these tiny gadgets that literally change how I pack. Meet the VMstr travel vacuum storage bag. They claims to save up to 80% of your suitcase space. Let's see if it really works. In the box, they send me for 12 vacuum bags of different sizes, small, medium and large, plus this mini kit, USB powered electric pump. Till now everything looks really awesome, very quality bag. So I'm gonna show you the real experience, and here is the user manual. You can see it's very practical, so if you follow this thing, it will be very easy for you to use this one. I mean, nothing complicated, just electric vacuum device. This device has two options, USB-C, you can see here, and if you pull it up, then you can see USB-A. So both you can use. This one is actually works with your computer USB, or it works also in your power bank or in your car charger, almost everywhere. I tested it right before my last trip to Frankfurt. My suitcase was overflowing winter clothes, hoodies, jackets, baby clothes. So I took one of the large VMstr bags and plugged this one in the power bank, and it's like compressed everything perfectly and make it small. So the same suitcase, it was not closed before, but when I use this vacuum, it's like even had more space. You can see here this power bank is from this one of the best power bank. You can visit their website. I will share the link also in the description below. It's really very quality vacuum. You can see already on my hand. For using this one, I have to open the cork. What I have to do, I have to just connect with this power bank. Now if you can see without close, it's already start sucking the air. The zipper are really super strong, and this is the clip for close. There is no chance to get air inside. So if I talk about the key features of this total package, is like this electric pump. You can power it using a laptop, power bank, car charger. It's perfect for travel. And the second thing is the strong seal plus durable materials. So make for PA plus PE blend, so it doesn't tear or leak, and very easy to operation. Just seal, plug and press. No hand pumping, no mess, nothing. It's very easy. And the fourth is you will get the different sizes bag, so perfect for everything from t-shirt to blankets. If you visit their website on Amazon, you will find the different packages. It's like 12 bag or 14 bag, 15 bag. They have different packages. So visit their website through my storefront link in the description below and get your favorite one. Number 5 would be like it's reusable and moisture proof. So keep clothes safe, dry and fresh, everything inside this bag during your trip. So let's talk about the pros and cons of this bag. It's super compact and easy to use, save huge space in your luggage, reusable and durable, work with any USB power sources. So let's talk about the cons. To be honest, I didn't find so many cons of this little device, and according to the price, it's really a awesome deal. So if you ask me the question, is VMstr vacuum storage set worth it, I will answer you absolutely. So if you love traveling light or just hate messy wardrobes, this kit will become your new best friend. Trust me, it's very simple, portable and works superb. Now I can pack my whole 1 week clothes in one suitcase. So check out the links in the description below for the best price, and don't forget we have got an exclusive coupon code on the couponoffer.net. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and comment your favorite travel hack below. because next week I am sharing something that makes you even better. So stay tuned, have fun, bye bye.